Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I often get asked, how do I set up my brokerage platform? How do I set up my option chains? What do I put on my watch list? So I thought that I would take a couple of minutes just to talk about how I look at my brokerage platform. So the first thing to know is when I log in, I always want a quick view of what's going on. And even before the market opens. So I put all the essential futures right here. I look at oil, I look at the E-minis, I look at gold, the NASDAQ, the VX, the 30 years, and also I put the SPX up there. Then down here, what I do is I put in my watch list all the stocks that either I have a position in or I tend to have positions in regularly, or just that I'm keeping an eye on that I find something interesting, and I just keep a watch list right here so it's right in front of me. I also keep some news up here on different stocks or for the broad market as well. Now over to my option chain. This is really important. There are a few things that must be in an option chain. First, implied volatility. We need to know if options are overpriced or underpriced. We need delta, theta, and vega. These are our three most important Greeks. I'll sometimes look at volume and open interest to get a feel for what the order flow is doing. I like to have gamma in there sometimes. And then, of course, not just the bid and the ask, but I like to have the size of how many contracts are bid at each price and how many contracts are offered at each price. That enables me to spot when maybe a retail trader has an order in where it's just a one lot or a two lot, and I might be able to get filled at better prices. So that's how I look at the market. That's how I keep my brokerage platform. I hope that little tip helps. Have a great day. Trade smart.